How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now first things first, in order to make sure that you have this feature, you want to navigate through your app downloader. In my case, since I'm using an Apple device, it's going to be App Store. Or if you're using Android, you want to navigate through the Play Store. From here, you can just go ahead and search for Instagram, and you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram available through your App Store. Right after that, you can now go ahead and go back to your Instagram right here, click on your profile icon, and once inside, you can then go ahead and click on the following button. Inside following, you want to go ahead and click on a specific person that you want to see when you started following them. And from here, you can then go ahead and click on the three dots once more. Click on See Shared Activity. And once inside, you will be able to see when you started following this specific person right here. In my case, I started following Meta AI in May 2024. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.